I like to use the Microsoft PC Manager, which is basically, think of it as a replacement for CCleaner. Go down here and just type in PC Manager, and it says Microsoft PC Manager. Click on that. It opens up the Microsoft Store, even though I'm not logged in. I hit the Get button right here and install it. Again, it's a small app. It only takes a couple seconds to install. So look at that. Already downloaded. It's almost done. Okay, I can close this window. Start automatically? Yes. Restore settings? That means it wants to put Bing back as your search engine? No. Start. Right here it says Set Smart Boost. I turn this on, so it'll do it automatically. Go back to the home. Go ahead and let's boost it now. Here's our memory usage and temporary files. Hit boost. Little rocket moves across. Let it finish. Okay, and then it says disk cleanup right down here. I hit that. Scans the drive for any disk cleanup. 4.2 gig of items. All the boxes are already checked. I like to check all the boxes. I don't know why these are unchecked, but either way, it's all built into Microsoft. That way you don't use a third-party utility, which is much, much safer to use this. Now, yeah, it freed up almost 4 gigs of space. Done. Close it, and it sits in the system tray, but I can't see it. So that means I want to go back to right-click, taskbar settings. I want to look for other system tray icons. I want to find MSPC Manager and turn that on so it's not hidden, so I don't have to hit this up arrow. See, the up arrow is hiding Microsoft Drive. That's good. That's what I want.